Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block a contact on Imo. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to block a contact on Imo, first open up your Imo app on your phone like this. And after opening your Imo app, the interface will be similar to this on, and on the top left corner there is the contacts button tab over there. Able to find all of your contacts available on Imo, and select the one whom you want to block on Imo. And after that, you can see the three dotted icon, and on the top right corner of your screen, tap on that three dotted icon like this. And after that, tap on her name, and you can see the three dotted icon appear on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the three dotted icon like this, and after this interface loads, you can see the block option available over here. Tap on block and again block, and he or she will be blocked from your Imo account. And this is how you block somebody on Imo. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.